Hello and welcome to the last assignment in the Innovative Educators course, the course review. So real quick, what I'm going to show you is how to access as if you were a student of mine. We're going to be in Literature for Children 206 online. The first thing that we're going to look at, I'm going to view as student, is our completed home page. Navigation to this is always going to be home. You can also access it through the Pages option on the left-hand side menu. You'll have a warm welcome from me, navigation tips, where you can also access the course overview, the instructor information, as well as mobile guides. We'll have institutional learning outcomes and program learning outcomes. In the end, I plan to have these quick access links. However, I'm not sure if it's coding that I don't know yet, but I'll be planning to get some help with those. And those will be additional resources on top of these three here. After that, we'll see our course overview. Provides a general overview of the course. Throughout the course, what you can be expected to learn, course navigation, learning expectations, grading scheme, required prerequisites, as well as technology requirements, and a few tips for success for an online course. If we hit the home page again and scroll down, we can go to instructor information. There you'll have a little bit about myself, a picture of myself and my husband while we were on our honeymoon in Cozumel, my official title with Crowder, as well as the courses that I teach. A little bit about me, my philosophy on teaching, contact information along with my office phone number, my office hours with my office number, and an opportunity to book with me directly. Now if we go to modules, so with the Understanding by Design, we always will have our student resources. Always will have our welcome to class where students can access course overview, course resources, a question board. That way it's public, so even they may ask a question that someone else may be wondering as well. And then the instructor information again. The modules are set to publish on Monday mornings at 8 a.m. They will have prerequisites that go with them so that students will go through the content in the online class in chronological order. Also, I've put the module number, an overview of what it's about. This week we'll just be getting started, and then I've added the dates. And this follows the 5 E's. So we have the engage, the explore, expand, evaluate, that was nice, and extend. Goodness. For collaboration, we will have discussion boards. For the very first discussion board, we have a getting to know you prompt. You choose one of the questions below, as well as your name, declared area or major, and what prompted you to take this class. Everybody should say, because it's my required course. Guidelines for the initial post as well as your peer replies. Any technical support you may need, as well as a rubric. So it says that it is available from August 18th at 8 a.m. until the 31st at 11:59. For one of our very first individual assignments is going to be a Canvas profile and picture. Instructions on how to do that, guidelines, technical support, and a rubric. And they have been numbered. It does list if it's an individual, a discussion board, or a quiz. Next is the assessments. Let me go through this. Well, I'll do it this way. Here's our preview. This is over the syllabus. We're using the syllabus page, the course overview, course resources, or instructor information that will help them through. And finally, a wrap up and looking ahead. Okay, and I believe that is it that is needed for this video. Thanks for watching.